Welcome to Pirate TV.
Welcome to our next edition of Stone Mountain High School Cribs.
Who is it?
Hey!
Hi, I'm Dr. Wright. I have on my mask. Welcome, come in. I'm gonna take my mask off because I am respecting the 6 feet. Please look at my sign. Please be sweet. Respect my 6 feet. Thank you so much, and always a heart next to my name because I do love my kids and what I do. All right, so welcome to my classroom. I have here my data boards where I keep track of data and have it posted up because sometimes that motivates students when they come in. And sometimes they can get a little competitive and say, hey, this block is doing better than that block, friendly competition. But this is my data wall. Here I have anchor charts to help students be motivated and remember what they're supposed to do. So when they are trying to figure out what this question is asking me, so if I say tell about, what does that mean? It means that you have to describe. Or if I say what will happen next, that means that you predict. These are power words. I am a social studies teacher in which we do a lot of reading. So when there's a question, if you could just look on the board and say, okay, well, how am I going to answer this question? If you see one of the 12 power words, it'll tell you what it is exactly you have to do, and that'll help you answer the question more effectively. Here, as I said, I'm a social studies teacher, and the classes that I teach are American government, very, very, very important to know about American government, and also world geography. So I have different things on the wall that get you in the mood for American government and geography. And as I said, it's a lot of reading involved in social studies. So I also teach sociology. I am teaching that actually at the same time that I'm teaching an American government class during my first block. So because we're virtual, I'm able to manage a class of sociology students along with my first block class of American government students. Altogether, I have 49 students, but because we're still virtual right now, we have a blended classroom. The sociology kids and the American government kids are doing well. Over here is my board where I would write my lesson out, what we're doing today. Today I am learning this because, and what you need to know to in order to have mastery with the content. Over here, if you look at the desk, when you come in, any desk that has a do not sit here, that means that you can't sit here. I took the time to measure out the distances between the desks, so each student has diagonal perspective 6 feet, so they're safe. When you walked in, well, I'll show you that. And I use my Chromebook along with the desktop, and then sometimes I have brought in my own personal laptop so that I'm able to flip the screen, show what's on the board, and see my kids who are virtual, but at the same time I can use another device to check in on a breakout room that I've created, or look at what they're doing in the chat. So this is my little area, my space, where my kids know this is where the magic happens. I am a member of Delta Sigma Theta sorority, so these are things that I have here that just keep me feeling good throughout the day. Sometimes it could be stressful, but when I look over and I see this quote by Nelson Mandela where it says, "It always seems impossible until it's done." So a lot of times we are under a lot of stress. We have so much to do, and it just seems like it's just really overwhelming. But when I look at that quote and when I think about my whole purpose of being a teacher, I feel better. So it always seems impossible until it's done. This is my little lounge area here, where I would put my information on the board. And I have my data chart, which brings me to the fact that I am the 9th grade sponsor, and I am also the chair for the Freshman Academy. So this is my room. Also, this is the sanitation station. So when you come in, of course, you have everything here that you need, your sanitizer, paper towels, alcohol wipes, gloves. This is my class. Hope to see you soon.